This is the GF5000 camera from Satir. It's a member of our GF series, which includes the GF20, the GF30 and the GF60. These cameras are made for first responders. This particular camera is also listed with a laser ranging system that allows you to measure the distance via the laser. Helps for visual aids and also helps to figure out the distance to targets. Additionally, it is also operated with a 2-button system. It also has a 3rd button just to select items. From this, it makes it easier for use wearing gloves in heat environments. The GF5000 is also built to match the specifications of the USA NFPA standards. Additionally, it also matches the IP67 standards for dust and waterproofness. And it does also have a compass feature, which you will see here in the top right corner. It helps for little bits of navigation, as well as possibly for helping people in high temperature environments finding their way. For the GF5000, it does come preloaded with additional colour palettes for easier viewing in different circumstances or for different preferences depending on the target of object being used to represent heat.